Hi guys, it's me again, Maria. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you guys and show you step-by-step tutorial on how you can open your print-on-demand business inside of Printify. So if you are planning to open a new business this 2026, then this video is for you. If you already have an online store like Etsy, Spotify, you can always, connect the Printify to your other store that you sell your product as a POD. Alright, so this is a beginner friendly tutorial. So if you have any question, just let me know, guys. Alright, but before we start, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the like and share this video. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for all your support, and a happy new year to all of you. Alright, so without any further ado, let's go to my computer. So once you got in here, you will see this create and sell custom products. Then you can just get started. Okay, gonna select the product, create the design, use Artistly, and start selling. All right, so what we're gonna do here first, since you are starting to open your own online store inside of Printify, what you're gonna do is you're going to get started for free. Okay, click this one. So I'm going to show you guys how to create a store. So I'm going to create another store. So here, this is my first store. So I'm going to add a new store. Okay. So I'm going to click the store, and here you will already have a sales channel connect your store now. Okay. So if you already have a sales channel like Etsy, Amazon, you see here, Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Amazon, if you already have all of these channel that you are selling your print on demand, what you're going to do is just to connect to them. Okay, just click which you are already have a sales or channel for them. But since you don't have any of this, like what I did, I don't have any channel for I'm selling my product, so I connect to pop-up. Right? Okay, so pop-up store details. Okay, let's say for example designed by Maria. Oops. Okay, so this is the name of my store. Then I'm just gonna click continue, and then here is the customize. You can customize your store. You can do this, you can change this, so it's up to you guys. You can play with it. How would you like to see your store? Just like that. So my first store is this, the one that I just created. So I'm just gonna use, what about, okay, black, okay, I'm just gonna use this one, and then I'm gonna launch my second store because I already have my first store, right? So I'm gonna launch my second store. So now here, lift off your store is alive. So my store, you can now create and publish products to promote your store and start making sales. So if you want to give some discount for shipping, $4 shipping, all you're gonna do is just to enable this one. So enable $4 shipping discount to help generate sales, ends January 29. So this is for next year of January 29. Okay, now when we finish with this is the promotion. Okay, so if you create a lot of design and you upload it into your store, then you can tell to your viewers and followers that you are having now a promotion discount that will end until January 29. Okay, so now my products, and let's visit your store. There you go. So look at my store. There's nothing in here yet. All right, so you have to create products and upload it here. So here is the store setting. Here is the store information. Here is the URL. And then you can manage your domain if you have domain, or you can connect it here. Customer store design is here. Then you can fill up all of this here, and then you're gonna do is just to save this one. So this is your store information. All right, next we're going to your domain. This is my my new domain, designed by Maria, Printify me, and then that's it. So if you have an existing domain or you have a website, just connect your existing domain here. Then the verification. So here you go. Verification is, this is where you are fill up all the information of you, if you have a website or your location, your business type, your personal details, all in here, and of course your payout details here on your on your verification, because once you get a sales, and then they're going to send the money to the bank that you just put in here. And then for marketing, so here if you want to integrate with Facebook, you can just put your pixel ID here. So ship from address, Printify default. You can just do this, and then I'm just gonna save this. And then next you're going to, okay, then order settings. These are the order routing. So if you enable the order routing, if you enable this one, okay, and then I'm going to do the exact product match only. Like for example, somebody order and then they don't have a stock, then they can find another, they can enable the routing, where you want to order some other company or some other places, but you want to have the exact product matches only. If you check this one, similar product matches, but sometimes it's not really same quality, same brand, things like that. It will be replaced by a product of similar quality, color, and material, but not really exact match to the product that you really wanted, that you ordered. So check the exact product matches only and enable order routing. So you have to pay just additional $2 something. All right, and then you need to put check in this, activate my upgrade to Printify choice. Check this one, and you can take your time, guys, to read this one. Okay, check this one. All manual, sample, bulk, and orders with personalized product must be submitted manually regardless of setting below. Okay, so it's all up to you. Which one do you want on here, guys? Just put a check on it. And then personalize your orders, set unique behavior. You can personalize your order. You want manually, automatically. So you must manually click submit after personalization is done to proceed with each order. So I just check manual. And then here, automatically submit personalized order that were approved by the buyer. And then I can just check this one. All right, then keep going, guys. Tracking notification, then delayed orders, manually sent to production, or automatically sent to production. If there's something happen or delayed during shipping or something like that, you want to do it by yourself, or automatically Printify will do it for you. So I just check automatically sent to production, daily order updates, capes, and then we're going to click save. All right, so now it's already saved. Then let's go back here, publishing preferences. So here is your default profit margin. You choose the default profit margin that you want. So 40%, 30%, 20%. I'm gonna show you guys how much is 20%. Well, it depends on the price that you put into your product. Okay, so let's just leave it 40%. So I'm gonna save that. And then we're going to our branding. Now this branding is, you can create also a design of your branding inside of Artistly, because it's just copy the size. So you can start designing here inside of Printify, or make a design inside of Artistly. This is customizable insert card, to show off your brand identity and leave a message for your customers. Like if somebody orders your product, then you can put this card like thank you for your order, things like that. So you can create this one inside of Artistly and then upload it into Printify. And then next is the gift message. So you can also use that for gift message. You can enable gift message for all eligible orders. Sometimes buyers want to order a gift message, so you can just enable gift message for all eligible orders. Then you can edit this template. Okay, just to edit this one, click edit, and you can put text here or whatever you want. The text here is automatically filled with the gift message. So here is where you're going to write your message. Okay, so let's go back there. Alright, so now once you finish customize your store, here is your dashboard. You will see here, guys. Now you can start creating your product. You can choose which one you want to create. I'm just gonna show you guys. So here is the notification. Yeah, here where you find your messages. The catalog is here. So here are a lot of products here that you can start to make, guys. You can make all of this inside of Artistly, or you can make it over here inside of Printify. And then my product, since I don't have product yet, so we're just going to create a product and start designing. So the promotion here is here. The shipping discount from December 30 to January 29 is active. Okay, so it's for $4 off for each shipping. Okay, so you can give this shipping discount for your customers. You can always edit here, and you can say December 2025 to January 29 2026. So you can cancel the shipping cost. Then you can add this $4 into your price of the product, and then you can just use it for now shipping or for free shipping discount in this date until this date, and then you just get update this one and published. Okay, if you already, I cannot publish because we don't have any product yet. We just open it. And if you want to take this out down, then you can just click this one and delete it. Okay, so for orders, then you will see there's no order yet. So wallet here. So here is the pop transaction where you can see your payments and payouts over here. So you will see here if somebody buy your products, you will see your payouts here. And the store setting here, we've already done this, guys. The branding is here. So here is what's gonna happen when you use the branding. Here is the card that I showed you guys that you can create inside of Artistly. When somebody order your product, then they're gonna put the Printify is gonna put inside of the box, just for packing inserts, and in this one neck label also. So you can create your own branding, guys. Just showing you guys how you can how it looks like. So here is the cost. So if you want to put gift messages, 15 cents per insert or per card, or 10 per insert with Printify Premium. If you have a premium account, then it's just 10 cents. So if you don't have premium account, it's 15 cents. So this is additional cost if you want to add this gift messages. Okay, I already have my Maria Creates. This is my first store that I just opened it. So if you see, guys, once you have a product already, then you will see here on your My Products, here are the products that I've just created. So that's all for today's store, guys. I hope you learned something from this. And if you have any question, just write down the comments. So Happy New Year to everyone. Happy new store. Happy new business. To see you soon. Bye for now.